All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about the pre-practice and real test. So yesterday, you should have taken the pre-test. If you didn't take it yesterday, you can't take it. It's just a one-day thing. But so for the pre-test, you take it one time. You must take it the first day um, with the class or at lunch, if we had lunch. Whatever you get, you get. So you take it, you do the very best you can, and whatever score you get, you get. The one thing about it is it's not worth as many points. The pretest is not worth as many points as the practice test or the real test. So you have to do the best that you can the first time around, but it won't kill your grade because it's not worth a ton of points. The purpose of it is for me to see what you know right now. So you're going to do the best job you can on it, and I'll get to see how you did. The second purpose of it is to encourage you to do the very best that you can the very first time around. Okay, now here's the good thing. If you get an 88% on it, you don't have to take the practice test. So if you did the pre-test yesterday and did well, I already put the score in for the practice test. If you took the pre-test yesterday and you didn't do well, I put a goose egg for the practice test, meaning that, hey, you need to do it. Okay, if you get uh, if you get a 93% or better on the pre-test, then you get out of the real test. Okay, so that was yesterday. Now today we're taking the practice test. You can't get out of anything from the practice test. You have to take it, but if you get 100% on the practice test, that doesn't get you out of the real test. The only thing that can get you out of the real test is the pre-test. All right. So on this one, you have to take it over and over until you get an 88% or better. Now you might be asking like, okay, well, how do I figure out what percent I got? Well, if it's out of 40 questions, you just take 40, multiply it by 0.88, and then you're going to get the minimum score that you can get. So, for example, if it was 40 questions, you'd have to get a 35 questions correct or better. So, if you get a 75%, that goes back in as a 0%, okay? Because it has to get up to 8%, so you have to take it over and over again until you get it up to 88% or better. The purpose is for you to learn the test and hopefully learn the material. You can ask me questions. The second purpose is to get ready for the real test. And so it's just a practice in order to get ready for the real test, but it's worth points. You can use any resource on it. You can use notes. You can open up software. You can look online. Sometimes it'll be password protected. This time it's not. And again, you can't get out of the real test with the practice test. All right. So then on Friday, we're going to take the real test. You take it one time. You can't take it over and over again. It's a test. Whatever you get, you get. So you can only use your notes. You can't really ask me. You can't ask students. You can't look on the internet. You can't. The only resources you have is the notes. And the purpose is for you to force you to study and learn. And the second purpose is to assess you. Okay. So what I want you guys to do is, let's see here, if I can find it. No, I can't find it. I'm not in my oh, here it is. I'm not in my regular situation. All right, so what I want you guys to do today is make sure you do the discussion questions. I want you to watch this video that you're seeing right now, and then I want you to take the quiz, or pardon me, take the practice test over and over again until you get an 88% of it. All right, hopefully that helped. Now I got to figure out, I'm on this weird new laptop and I have no idea how to turn off the video on this thing. It's not my regular setup. Oh, there we go.